Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover linkedHashSet class of Java collection framework. linkedHashSet class implements set interface. The difference between hashSet and linkedHashSet class is that hashSet do not maintain the insertion order, while linkedHashSet maintain the insertion order. For maintaining the insertion order, linkedHashSet class internally uses double linked list. We could create an instance of linkedHashSet class like this. Now we have added 3 entries in the linkedHashSet: Rohit, Ajit and Manoj, and when we will print it, we will get it in the same order in which we have added it. For maintaining the insertion order, linkedHashSet class internally uses double linked list. When we add an entry in the linkedHashSet, internally it creates a node at a random memory location. Every node has 2 pointers, one pointing to the previous node and the other pointing to the next node. Thus, it knows which node is next and which node is previous, and it maintains the insertion order. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.